That is unreal. Mate.
Hi there, Neil from Richter, and welcome to another video. You join us here today in snowy Kempten, so something completely different for us. We've actually got Archie Hamilton out here. It's the first of the UK cars. It's the number one of 200. It's a limited edition RS3-R. What we're going to do is document that. But yeah, to make it ultra special, we brought it into the Adelsmede VIP lounge for a very special handover. We're then going to get it into the dyno, and then later on we're going to take it out onto the Autobahn.
Flat out. That's what we're going to do. But no, a huge thanks to Richter. It's been an amazing process from start to finish, and proud to be the first person to obviously own the first RS3-R in the country. One of 200, and yeah, we've been hosted by amazing people here at ABT, and yeah, should we take the cover off and show everyone?
We can.
Yeah, perfect. All right, Neil, we ready?
We are.
Right. I'm ready, Neil.
Let's do this. Welcome to a new ABT RS3-R.
That is unreal. Mate. Look at that. Flipping hell. That is insane. That is just completely different, isn't it? Just all the mods and everything. Yeah, that is a different level, mate. That is truly, truly insane. Yeah, the wheels, even the stance of it is completely different now, isn't it? The stance of the car.
Yeah, got the lowered suspension as well, so ABT 30mm lowering.
Bits here straight away, which you've got ABT. These wheels are just absolutely ridiculous.
Fully forged wheel as well.
Fully forged wheel, we're
Ultra lightweight.
not messing around with that. Wow.
And the other special angle, just check this out.
Yeah, I mean this is just mental. This is actually the coolest car I've had, I've decided. And then the whole rear diffuser now, again, and the exhaust system. I keep forgetting that this now has an
Quad exhaust tips.
Yeah, quad exhaust tips and everything else. So that's another thing, which is just bonkers. And then, oh yeah, I've got the interior. Got to have a look at the interior. Okay, let's have a look at the interior, because that's I'm not over this. This is just ridiculous.
There you go.
Wow, that is unreal.
So there we have it, we've just done the handover, we've unveiled the car. I think Archie's genuinely delighted with the car. It's nice to have a happy customer for the first car in the UK. And
yeah, no, honestly, it's been amazing from start to finish. Obviously, I was taken through the whole process, how it's all going to work, and to have one of 200 cars is amazing. It truly is a work of art what the guys at Richter have done. Like I say, from start to finish, it's been great, and now it's a real work of art.
so what we're going to do now, we're going to take the car out of the VIP area, we're going into the dyno, we're going to do some power runs, we're going to take a look at the ABT app, and we're going to go for the VMAX, the next project. We're going to see how fast we can go on this dyno.
Amazing, let's do it.
Go from there.